Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler air filter. First, understand that a clean air filter is crucial for your engine's health, boosting both performance and fuel efficiency. Jeep generally recommends replacing it every 30,000 miles, but if you often drive on dirt roads, you might need to check it more frequently. To begin, ensure you have a new air filter, a 10mm socket wrench, and a flathead screwdriver ready. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening your Jeep's hood and safely securing it with the prop rod. Next, locate the air filter housing. It's usually a large black box situated on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll see 4 metal clips around the housing. Unclip these to release the top. Then, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the 2 bolts that fasten the intake hose or housing, allowing for more movement. With the housing clips undone and bolts removed, gently lift the airbox lid to reveal the old air filter. Take it out and observe how much dirt and debris it has collected. Now, take your new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure the pleats are facing down and that the filter sits flush and securely within the box. Proper seating is key for effective filtration. To finish up, carefully lower the airbox lid back into place. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts and tighten them, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, re-engage all 4 metal clips around the housing to ensure a tight seal. Remember to regularly inspect your air filter, particularly if you frequently drive in dusty conditions, to maintain optimal engine performance. And hey, if you're looking to boost your financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.